about to show you a Sonos system that we installed at a home in Frisco, Texas. And this is a distributed audio system where you have audio throughout every room in the space with in-ceiling speakers. Every room is independently controllable, as well as grouping the whole house together. As I'm using it now, you can see we put in a couple of wall speakers down there at the bottom of the wall. Got the master living space. We have in-ceiling speakers, wall-mounted TV, and in the master, ceilings, and in-ceiling in the master shower. We also have patio speakers out there. .1 surround system in the master. This is where all our equipment's terminating. You can see we got the Sonos amps in there. Another 5.1 system. Again, moving through the house. Very smooth transition from room to room. I love Sonos. Audio for the workout room. And again, that's independently controllable if you wanted to come out here and work out. A couple more in-ceiling speakers. And the media room, which is on a separate control.